Hi friends, my name is Maruti and I'm the co-founder of Kraku. In this video, I want to answer one question which is often asked to me by students who have taken CAT once or twice before. Many students take CAT once or twice without a lot of preparation. They prepare for some time, maybe they take a few mocks, and after once or twice, they feel that this is the serious attempt, this is the year I'm going to put in a lot of effort, and they ask me what should a repeater do? Somebody who has taken CAT once or twice before and wants to put in full effort this one particular time, what should they do differently? Now, those kind of people, I call them the CAT repeaters. The difference between a person who is repeating CAT and a person who is preparing for CAT for the first time is, in my opinion, a CAT repeater has to solve as many questions as he can. It is very important that person spends the time in actually solving and not on just revising concepts, because revising concepts will not give you the confidence that is needed to actually improve your performance. For example, if you're looking at somebody who has not taken CAT before, who has not really solved any maths questions recently, that person might not be very familiar with the concepts like, say, the slope of a line or the centroid of a triangle. These would appear very alien. But somebody who has taken CAT once or twice before would definitely know what the slope of a line is. Now, it is possible that that person might not be able to answer the question which is based on slope of a line, but at least the concept would be roughly clear. So that person who is the CAT repeater has to solve as many questions as they can. That, I think, is the first important thing that they should keep in mind. The second thing that CAT repeaters should keep in mind is that they should be consistent. And one story that I want to actually tell is, many of you would actually know about Kraku daily targets. Kraku daily targets, we have one test in quant, LRDI and verbal with video solutions, and they're taken by thousands of students every single day. The number crosses 10,000 during July, August, and as it comes closer to CAT, but it is taken by thousands of students. Now, to encourage people to develop or inculcate a habit of consistency, what we told is anybody who has a streak of 50 days in Kraku daily target, we will send a Kraku t-shirt. So if they miss even one single day, they are not eligible for a Kraku t-shirt. Somebody who has taken the Kraku daily targets for, say, 40 days and missed it on the 41st day, they would not be eligible, and the streak will again go back to zero. This made many people very committed. Many times I get mails from students feeling sad that, okay, after 40 days they missed, or after 42 days they missed and all. But the whole point is, last year, the number of people who got the Kraku t-shirt is 524. That is, there are 524 people out of the CAT aspirants who have taken Kraku daily targets every single day for 50 days at least. Now, this is consistency, and that is something that CAT repeaters should also have. You should be solving questions and you should be consistently solving questions. Now, the third thing I wanted to tell you is, we are launching a repeaters batch for CAT on January 6th, that is the upcoming Monday. In this, what we plan to do is, we have shortlisted 90 videos which explain the concepts. Each video is around 1 hour long, and following that one video, we will be giving you one concept test which contains 5 questions which are completely based on the video that we explained. In addition to it, we also give you 10 questions which are similar to the concept that we have covered on that particular day. This will be the schedule for the first 90 days. So you'll watch a video and you'll solve around 15 questions. Once the videos are done, then we want you to solve, instead of 15 questions, maybe 20 to 25 questions. And if you're stuck in any particular question, you can go back and revise the video that was available to you. Now, this, I think, should be how a CAT repeater should look at their preparation plan, or they should prepare their preparation plan similarly. First, try to watch the important videos, but solve at least 10 to 15 questions every single day. Once the videos are done, try to solve 20 to 25 questions every single day from now till CAT. You have around 11 months left. If you focus on doing well, I'm sure these 11 months are more than sufficient for you to score significantly better. Even aim to score 99.6, 99.7 is definitely possible for even an average student who is putting in consistent effort for the upcoming 11 months. All the best, and if you have any doubts with respect to your CAT preparation, feel free to comment below this video.